In this video you will talk about Dr. Vita Zentab. A bite to a better mood. Made with Lychee Flavor Chewable Tablet. If you're suffering with daily stress, then this will result to bad mood, poor work performance, poor sleep, lack of concentration and anxiety. Dr. Vita Zentab will help you to reduce anxiety and depression, relieve stress, alleviate fatigue and insomnia, and enhance sleep quality. A tablet for good mood. With patented Casein hydrolysates. Reduce anxiety and calm the emotions. Gamma Oryzanol improves nervousness and depression. Rice Germ Extract help achieve relaxation. Magnesium Citrate enhance sleep quality. And Sesame Extract alleviates fatigue and improves sleep quality. With 4 guarantees that this product is effective and safe. Professional formulation, Casein extracted with patented hydrolysis technology. Natural ingredients, no burden to the body. Certified, approved by renowned international organizations. Dosage form, chewable tablet to enhance efficacy. Professional formulation. Active peptides extracted through hydrolysis technology from patented Casein hydrolysate with stabilizing effects on the brain. For mood relaxation. Lactium, patented Casein hydrolysate. Relax the mood. As you can see on the results, it is clinically proven. It can reduce anxiety. With Gamma Oryzanol, improve anxiety. It regulates the autonomic nervous system to improve mental conditions. Adjust physiological functions to improve sleep quality. Relieve stress and anxiety. Rice Germ Extract, relax the mood. It active parasympathetic nerves to lighten the mood. Inhibit the proliferation of nerve cells to calm the mind. Improving autonomic nervous system to prevent anxiety. Magnesium Citrate, improve sleep. Regulate the nervous system, improving insomnia and muscle tension. Activate the parasympathetic nerves to calm the emotions. Activate neurotransmitter GABA responsible for calming the body and mind. Sesame Extract, alleviate fatigue and insomnia. Regulate the autonomic nervous system to reduce stress. Reduce fatigue and help fall asleep easily. Balance the autonomic nervous system to improve sleep quality. Maintain good mood, all the time. Morning good spirit to start the day. Noon adjust fatigue and mood. Evening reduce stress and improve sleep. Why chewable tablets? Chewing enhances alpha wave in the brain, calming the emotions. Alleviate stress. And increase focus. Here are the other features of this Dr. Vita Zentab. Hydrolyzed casein, patented, for better absorption. Convenient to carry around. No water needed to ingest. Sweet flavor. And all natural ingredients. Try Dr. Vita Zentab now. To order, kindly click the link below. Or visit Shantahl Works Facebook page. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.